Hi everyone, Kat here. I hope that wherever you are, you're doing okay through these challenging times. I'm leaving this little video to let you know that I'm taking 5 days of absolute nature immersion. I'm here already. You can see that I'm in a magical forest. It's just snowed. And so there won't be class on Thursday or next Monday, but I'll be back in a week and we'll be back on our mats. And in the meantime, remember, there are over 250 classes now in playlists. So I'll leave the link to that below, and stay practicing, stay breathing, stay sensitive. God bless. Take care.